Begin in Tadasana. Raise your right hand towards the sky. Bend your left knee, bringing the heel toward your left buttock. Engage your core and start to tilt your torso forward slightly, while lifting your left foot up and away from your body. Open your chest and lift your gaze slightly. Focus on finding balance on your standing leg. The lifted leg should be in line with your torso. Keep your gaze steady and focused on a point for balance. Relax. Repeat the sequence on the other side. Shifting your weight to the left foot and lifting the right leg. Open your chest forward. Hold the pose for several breaths, maintaining a steady breath. End in Tadasana.